Hello there. Here I am with my haul from TJ Maxx. It's a very small haul and it's got just a few things, but I really wanted to show what I got for various reasons, mainly just because I love it all. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got. One of the first things I got was this evening bath soak. I usually use just Epsom salts and some lavender oil, but I saw this at TJ Maxx and it was $5.99, and it has a sweet orange, sage, frankincense, has a lot of different smells, and I thought that would be fun. It says create calm with this unique blend of sweet orange, clary, sage, and frankincense essential oils with our mineral-rich sea salt meditation soak. So, we will see how this goes. I also got this foot cream. It is a lavender and Epsom salt, which I thought would feel so amazing after I got out of the bath. This is a soothing anti-fatigue foot cream. It has natural minerals, essential oils, and vitamins, and the Epsom salt helps to relieve tired feet while the lavender calms and relaxes. It was $3.99. Okay, I saw this lemon soap, and it says it's handmade in Italy. It's got a little bee on it. Isn't that cute? And it was $3.99, which is kind of expensive. But soap has gotten expensive these days. But it comes with a little ribbon, and this wrapping is so beautiful. I think I'll use it in a junk journal. But oh my goodness, if you go to TJ Maxx, you have to at least find this and smell it. It smells just like lemons. It is such an uplifting smell. It is amazing. It says that it is a vegetable soap, and that's all. But I'm excited. I cannot wait. As a matter of fact, why don't I just open it now and we can see what it looks like? Because I've been dying to open it. I want to be very careful with this beautiful packaging. Oh wow. That is what they actually call a soap cake. Oh my goodness. Look how big it is. Like, there's my hand. Like, that's humongous. Okay, so this is my lemon soap. I cannot wait to use it. Thanks for bearing with me while I opened it, because I really just couldn't wait. The other thing I got was this spiral notebook. It's just for notes. And it's nothing fancy, but it's something that will help me keep some lists together. And when I'm thinking about projects I need to work on, this will be nice. No fuss, just something very simple. So that's that. So here is my phone case. This is my old phone case. You can see where I'm missing whiskers, and the ears of the kitty cat are not as pink. This was my Kate Spade, which I absolutely loved, which has this little, the clasp doesn't work anymore, but it held my cards and everything with my phone. What was wonderful about this is that it actually kept everything I needed, and I only had to take this with me. But then what's bad about it is I only took this with me, which means I didn't carry a purse. So I thought, since I needed a new phone case, I'm going to go back to getting a purse. So I got one. So I took my phone out of the case, and again, like I said, I only took the case. I only took this. I didn't even carry a purse, so I couldn't keep my lip gloss or other little notes or anything, because not even dollar bills, there was just no room. So when I decided to get the new case, I said to myself, you know, I have this beautiful phone, and I never get to really feel or see it. So why don't I get a purse that my phone can fit in? So I found this super cute Klein clutch, and I love these kind because you can just do this, and then if you're looking, your hands are free. Because see, this would not fit in a pocket or anything. So when I carried it with me, and if I was in a buggy, I'd have to put it down in the buggy. And this way, I can still look and do things with this little clutch. So this is Klein. Now, what's amazing about this is $14.99. That makes me super, super happy. And the inside is very pretty. I can keep my cards here. I can keep money here. I can keep notes. I can keep even some chapstick or some lip gloss. I can do my driver's license. I can keep change, which I love. Well, I love to keep change. I love to have it on me. So, and then I take my phone and I put my phone right here. And there we have it. So this is my fun purchase. This little purse is going to do me well. So that is my TJ Maxx haul. Let me see the original price. The original price, they say, is $48. They call this the Travel ZA wallet. Rose quartz is the color. And there's the little Klein emblem there. And then when I need my phone, I just take it out. It doesn't scratch. And I've got more to carry. So that is my fall plan. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. I hope you liked the haul. Let me know if you want to see more hauls. Sometimes they're kind of interesting. It gives you a little sneak peek into some things that work for other people that you might not have thought of. Anyways, thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.